How to add MidJourney to your Discord server. So to start, we'll have to open our Discord account, and then once we're here in our account, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on this option, Add a Server. After that, a pop-up menu will appear here. Tap on the Join a Server option. In here under Invite Link, we'll have to type here MidJourney, and then after that, tap on the Join Server option. And as you can see here, we are automatically redirected to the MidJourney server. In here, we'll have to go on the left part of the screen and then tap on the room option Newbies. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for the members to load. Once it's loaded, we'll have to tap on this MidJourney bot. And then in here, we'll have to tap on these three dots. After that, tap on this View Profile option. And then in here under its profile, we'll have to tap on this Add App option. After that, tap on the Add to Server option. And then in here, we'll have to select a server. As an example, I'm gonna select this Arts Wixie. After that, tap on Continue. And then in here, we'll just have to authorize MidJourney. Once you're done with that, we'll have to scroll down and tap on this Authorize option. And then after that, we'll just have to wait for a little. And then in here, as you can see, it says Success. All we need to do is to go to our server. So what I'm gonna do is to exit this one and then open my Arts Wixie server. And as you can see here, MidJourney is already added. So that's how easy we can add MidJourney to our Discord server. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one!